Makoko oi! Are you ready to learn, create, and have fun? Introducing the ʻŌlelo Noʻeau Coloring and Lesson Book, a puke created by Kahale Huaka, where Hawaiian wisdom comes to life.
ʻŌlelo helu pu. Read together.
Read it, say it, talk story with your ʻohana. With 2 volumes, each packed with over 50 ʻŌlelo Noʻeau, you'll never run out of inspiration.
What does this ʻŌlelo Noʻeau mean to me?
Use fun prompts to spark big ideas. Then write, draw, or journal your mana'o your way.
E kala a ho'onani. Color and create.
Color bold, think deep, and connect with your ʻohana, your community, and the natural world around you. Perfect for your classrooms, workshops, workplace, your hale and ʻohana. Anywhere you want to learn and have fun together. Shop now at kahalehuaka.com/shop.